In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize OneDrive for backing up your important files in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to secure your personal memories or ensure that your work files are safe, understanding how to effectively use OneDrive for backups is a valuable skill in today's digital world. Starting off, let's dive into accessing OneDrive. For those of you working on a desktop or laptop, you'll want to begin by opening the OneDrive app. It's a straightforward step but integral to the process. Once you've located the app on your system, simply click to open it. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to do so with your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to your personal cloud storage space where you can begin the backup process. Next up, we're going to focus on the core of today's tutorial, setting up your backup. Inside the OneDrive app, look for the Sync and Backup option. Once you find it, click on it and there you'll see an option labeled Manage Backup. This is where things start to get exciting. Clicking on Manage Backup takes you to the heart of OneDrive's backup feature, allowing you to select precisely what you want to safeguard in the cloud. Now, for many of us, deciding what to back up can be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, OneDrive makes this easy. After clicking on Manage Backup, you'll be presented with the option to select backup folders on this PC. It's an intuitive step where you can choose exactly which files and folders you deem important enough to back up. Are you looking to secure documents, pictures, or perhaps your music collection? This is the moment where you make those choices, tailoring the backup to meet your needs. It's crucial at this point to consider what you're backing up. Documents often contain vital information, be it personal projects or work-related files, so they're a common choice for backup. Photos and videos, on the other hand, are irreplaceable memories you definitely wouldn't want to lose. Make your selections carefully, as these are the files that OneDrive will automatically sync and secure in the cloud. After making your selections, OneDrive will begin the backup process. This might take some time depending on the amount of data you're uploading and your internet speed. During this time, it's important to ensure your computer remains connected to the internet so the backup can complete successfully. Once finished, you can rest easy knowing that your selected files are safely stored in OneDrive, protected against hardware failures, theft, or accidental deletion on your local device. Let's talk a little about why this is invaluable. Not only does backing up with OneDrive keep your files safe, but it also makes them accessible from anywhere. Whether you're on a different device, at another location, or even sharing files with others, OneDrive provides a flexible and secure solution for managing your digital life. For those looking to extend their backup capabilities, or explore more of what OneDrive has to offer, remember that settings and preferences can be adjusted at any time through the app. From selecting additional folders for backup to tweaking how files are synced, OneDrive offers a wealth of options for users to customize their experience. In conclusion, utilizing OneDrive for backups is a powerful yet easy to implement solution for anyone looking to protect their digital files. By following the steps we've walked through today, you can begin securing your important documents, photos, and more in just a few minutes. It's a small investment of your time that can save a lot of heartaches in the future. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips on making the most of your digital tools and services.